What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about smooth low potion, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the SLP. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so I will give you the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Guys, now the latest changes of the SLP is again positive for some time. For some time the price change become negative, but now after 5 minutes the changes is again become positive, and that's really good idea for all of you guys. You know what? I believe that SLP is a big opportunity with all of you. That's opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity, my friends. Personally, I'm recommending for all of you to please hold. Don't decide to sell. Don't decide to sell. Hold. And you know what, guys? At this time, I'm holding 1 million SLP coin, 1 million, and also 2.5 billion Shiba Inu. Guys, it's time to make a profit. There is a low price coin in the market, and on the other hand, if you look, the change is occurring in these coins, so the change is positive. And now, from the last 2 weeks, the SLP is a trending coin in the cryptocurrencies market. Remember that is a trending coin. Everybody can want to invest in a smooth low portion, but same like that, I also recommending for all of you smooth low portion for investment. You can see here the massive jumps occurred by SLP in the previous time, also in now in the nowadays. Also SLP is now in the explosion mode, and I hope very soon the price will explode and that will make you millionaire. There is no doubt, guys. That's why I'm telling you, my friends, will make millionaire. Just believe that. And personally, my friends, personally, I'm sure about SLP future, 100% sure. That's why I buy 1 million SLP coin, because I'm sure about SLP that SLP will give me profit, especially for short-term investor. My advice is that please just hold to the last of August. Just hold SLP coin to the last of August. I hope they will give you profit, not loss. So don't be negative about SLP. Be positive. Be positive. And please, guys, subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market, and especially about smooth low portion token. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.